How to install Maserati Granturismo wheel spacers? A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your Granturismo is by installing Maserati wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right type of wheel spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effect. Let's take a look at the correct installation steps. Use a cross spanner to loosen the stock bolt on the wheel side in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. A better safety measure is to jack stands to support the car. Use a cross spanner to remove the stock bolt on the wheel side, or we can use an impact wrench to remove it. Before complete disassembly, install a wheel hanger so that we can easily remove the wheel. Remove the wheel and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. We can use a black cleaner to remove it. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS Forge FT Cooling Maserati Granturismo wheel spacers. Besides, BONOSS Forge FT Cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance are better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice. Use a torque wrench to tighten the matching lug nut to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. Then install the wheel hanger. Install the wheel bolt and use a torque wrench to tighten them. This will ensure that the wheel bolts work. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground and remove the jack. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. After installing the wheel spacers, drive slowly back and forth, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommends checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving.